You respond to your student by acknowledging and validating her feelings while using our emotions cards to guide the conversation. Thank you for sharing your playground experience with us. I'm sorry your friend wasn't listening to your words. I noticed that your argument left you with some big feelings. Which one of these cards best matches how that made you feel? Your student points to the frustrated and sad cards. You continue the conversation by saying, "Yeah, it makes sense that you felt these feelings. Which part made you feel frustrated?" Your student responds by saying, "I felt frustrated because she wouldn't listen to my words, but sad because she didn't want to play fairly and let me have a turn." You say, "Those are some great words to describe your feelings, and next time you're with your friend, I think it would really help to share them with her so she understands you and you can try to solve this problem together."